Hi, dear students, how are you? I want your help. I was turning my laptop on and finally I found a person on my laptop who was asking for help. I did not know how to help him, so kindly, could you help me to help him? Let's hear his story till the end and decided how could we help him. This is the person. Let's start. Hi, dear students, how are you? My name is Tam. I want to tell you about my story. I am a third grader like you, and I have two friends in my school. One time, my father bought me a lot of sweets. He bought 15 sweet pieces. But unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to eat all of them by myself only because it's not healthy enough. So I decided to share my kind friends. So, I want to have a number of sweets, the same that I will give to the first friend that I have, and the same number of sweets that I will give the second friend. So, how to do this? 15 sweets pieces into 3 persons, me, friend 1, and the friend 2. How could I do this, guys? Can you help me? Okay, my students, as you hear, this was the story that you heard. So, how could we help them in this? How to distribute 15 pieces equal into 3 persons? How to do this? Do you have an idea? What is the topic of math that we needed in order to solve this kind of problems? When we want to share things equally, or if we want to divide things and separate things into equal groups, that means we are talking about what? Yes, I heard you. Thank you so much. We are talking about dividend. So let's remember what should we do. 15 pieces of sweets divided into 3 groups, separated into 3 groups, such that each group will have an equal number of objects, an equal number of sweet pieces. So, 15 in all, the number in all divided by 3 groups equals 5. So, 15 is the number in all divided by the number of groups, which is 3, equals 5. The number in each group will be 5 sweet pieces. Good job. So, the first number will be called dividend, the second number will be a divisor, and the third number will be a quotient. Good job. This is called a dividend sentence, and it contains dividend, divisor, quotient. Remember, the dividend will be greater than or equal the divisor. Here, it will never be less than the divisor. So remember, this number here, either we can see it greater or equal to the divisor. More than the divisor or equal to the divisor. But we will never see it less than the divisor. We will never see it smaller than the divisor. Okay? So, another example. I have 8 Lego pieces and I want to distribute them into groups equally, such that each group will have the same number of pieces. So what should I do in this case? The number in all, 8 pieces, divided into 2 groups. So divided by 2 equals what? Equals 4. Good job. Why? Because we have 4 in the first group and 4 in the second group. Each group had, in this case, the same number of Lego pieces. Good job. So the answer is 4. Division. Another symbol for division is the long division symbol, like this. Do you remember the step when we talked about it in the classes? Long division. You're going to see the dividend inside it like this, and you're going to see the divisor beside it like this, and finally the answer, which is the quotient above it in this case or in this form. Here we have 35 as a dividend, 5 as a divisor, and the answer, which is 7, will be as a quotient above the symbol. Stay safe everyone, and see you in the next videos inshallah.